Bwana Ruben, swala hili la quality assurance limehamishwa sasa Wizara ya Elimu. Mlikuwa mlishughulikia katika TSC. Waunga mkono wa wazo hilo?
Those are the recommendations of
the working party.
Yes.
Kwamba mambo ya ubora wa elimu
and they, as he has Arias has indicated, the issue of how the implementation will be done is an issue of a what we are calling a consultative aspect. So there are quite a number of consultations that are being done so that we align the things as they are required to make sure the education system runs smoothly.
Okay.
Yes.
Nafikiri tutamatishie pale kwa sababu ya muda, lakini tuseme asante sana kwa kupata muda wenu na kuweza kujibu maswali ambayo yameibuka kutoka kwa washirikadau tofauti, na bila shaka ni mjadala mkuu sana huu wa elimu ya msingi na pia elimu ya juu ile ambayo tumezungumzia hapo awali. Shukran kwa wakati wenu.
And now over to you, Sam Gituku and Mashiri Makapombe.
Naam, shukran Yvonne kutoka studio hiyo. Sasa tunataka kuwapatia pia nafasi wataalamu wetu waweze kutupatia kauli zao za mwisho. Na nitaanza na wewe Daktari Kilemi Mwiria. Unaweza kutueleza kuhusiana na hili swala la kugharamia elimu, kwamba kila miaka inavisonga, kuna ile bajeti ambayo imesomwa mwaka huu, takriban shilingi bilioni 628.6 zikiwa zimetengewa elimu. Lakini kadri miaka inavisonga, hizi fedha ama hii gharama ya elimu inazidi kuongezeka. Serikali inapaswa kufanya nini kuhakikisha kwamba kwanza wanapata hizi fedha ambazo wanaziratibu kwenye bajeti, kisha la pili hizi pesa zinatumika ipasavyo?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This issue about money, education is about money. A lot of people have said that. And it's what you put in the system. And one issue we have, of course, is the use of the resources that they go to those institutions. Uses in terms of what is bought, books and so on, but also the time. Our teachers there all the time. So that's an issue, of inefficiency. But let me just, because now we are living in hustler times, let me speak for the hustler child and the educational disadvantage of the hustler kid. The hustler kid will not matter whether they're in CBC, 844, or the system I went through. They can fit in any system. They are survivors. But it's unfair, even to talk about funding university education when very few of them can actually make it. It is very unfair to say that to get into university, a child from a day school in Garissa requires a C+, like a child from Mango High School. It's very unfair to say that to qualify for medicine, a child from a day school in West Pokot needs the same cluster points, the same grade as a kid from, Kagumo High School. This is a monumental injustice, completely. So, what am I suggesting? We must differentiate the qualifications, the grades that we require. If you are from a day school, someplace in Mandera, a C+ is good enough for you to enter university. But it should be a B or higher for one from Kenya High School. If you are from a school in Mandera, someplace, a day school, if you've got a B, you should be able to do medicine compared to a student who has an A from another school, and so on and so on. It also should translate into what is available in terms of scholarships. We have a lot of scholarships from friendly governments. Why should we allow children, non-hustlers, who can afford to pay for that education overseas, to take those scholarships? I would recommend that all those scholarships should go to day school kids. When we do this, day schools will also be popular. Parents will realize, so my child can go to a day school in Tigania West and make it to university to do medicine. And this affirmative action should extend to employment. Because while a kid from an hustler family is more likely to be able not only to buy a university degree through the degree program, they will also be able to buy a job on graduation. A hustler kid will not have the money to do that. It's extremely important. Since we live in hustler times, we begin to think how we can get them to be competitive and to be able to take advantage of opportunities, both in education and on graduation.
All right, and Dr. Manyasa, because of this idea,